Alright, this one's all wrapped up and it's time to reveal the final results. We totally stripped down this Shimano Sensalite rod all the way to the blank, removed the finish off the blank, and rebuilt it from the graphite back up. New cork, all new Batson Enterprises Alps and Forecast components with a real seat and guides, hook keeper. Rewrapped it as original to the rod with the trim bands the same way and so forth, and really just restored it back to brand new, if not better than brand new condition. I think the owner's going to be very happy to get this back out on the water and catching fish again. Take a look.